Hi everyone, it's Dia with Eat, Run, Plan, Repeat. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you for stopping by. Last week, Sophie from Clever Fox Planners reached out to me and asked if I'd like to try out one of their planners, and I accepted. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of one of their planners. They remind me of a bullet style planner without all of the work though, because the layouts are already in them. I understand that that's a little bit more restricting, but my husband and I were recently talking and he really misses using the bullet journal. He just doesn't want to take the time to be drawing all of the weeks and months and everything out, and we figured this planner would be perfect to try because it's already done for you. I believe it has a weekly and a monthly, and then on top of that it has goal setting layouts in it. So when I said yes to the journal, I had my husband in mind, so I was gonna get an orange or a black one, but my daughter's been trying to keep her schoolwork a lot more organized, and we're actually trying to teach her a lot more about goal setting. So I went ahead and chose a color with her in mind, so I got a pale pink planner. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet. I really want to open it up and see what it's like. I might end up using it myself, but I have a feeling it's gonna be something that will suit her really well right now. So enough chatter, let's turn the camera around and open this thing up. So one of the good things about this planner is that it's available on their website and through Amazon. So the planner comes in this really nice white box, and it has their logo on the front. It says Clever Fox Planner, and I believe it's a 5x8, and this is in the color rose. So when we open it up, there's a few pieces of paper in here. This is a little card asking them to leave a review on Amazon. This just tells you a little bit about the Clever Fox Planner. And I like that it comes with this. This is a how to use this planner little template. I like it. It talks about the 4 different steps that they have, the gratitude section, the vision board section, setting your goals, and another goal section. So I like how it kind of gives you ideas, especially if I end up using this for my daughter. This will be really nice for us to refer to. And on the back, it tells you how to use the monthly and weekly calendars as well. It has a couple of little cards in here that say give this to someone you love, and it is 10% off. And there are 3 sheets of stickers in here. I don't know if I'll use these. I'm not really much into bright colors, so I don't know if I'll use these, but it's nice that they include them. The planner is also wrapped in some plastic inside the box for extra protection. Has a little mark on it right there. Not a big deal. It's very, very soft. It's super soft. It's not leather. I'm really not sure what it's made of. The color is a little bit more peachy than it is pink in real life. I think it's a little more pink on my monitor though. And I think it was a little more pink on the website too. Let me take this off. I love the little fox symbol. So on the first page right here, it's kind of one of those weird glue situations where it doesn't want to lie flat, but you won't be using this page much anyway, I guess, but you go ahead and put your information here just in case this planner is lost. The first section has the gratitude and self-awareness. These are all things that I really want to start doing with my daughter. My husband and I always kind of do these things every year together, and we really want to get my daughter involved as well. So it's got my daily rituals. The pages so far seem to be lying pretty flat and staying open. This is the vision board. She also has a vision board inside her pocket Filofax, but I kind of think she'd like putting it on this too. Here's the My Goals section. There's health, business, family and friends, romance, finance, all sorts of things. It kind of hits every area, and she has things that she can fill out for every one of these sections too. I don't know if you can see it, but this book is bound together with string. I'm not sure what kind of stitching that is, but you can see it right here. It seems to be pretty well made. Here's the mind mapping section. That's not something I've really done, so I'm gonna look at that card and see how to do that. And then at the beginning of the planner is the month and year section. All of the months are together in the front, and I like that it has a goal section in each monthly planner too. So there's habits to adopt, skills to learn, things to avoid, this month's goals, I really like this. I really think it's important to see and acknowledge your wins. So I think this is one of my favorite sections right here, especially for my daughter. And of course, there's always room for improvement, so it's good to acknowledge that as well. There are 13 monthly calendars in here, and they're non-dated, which is kind of nice because if you happen to fall off of it a little bit or decide to use a different planner for a little while, you can always come back to this one whenever you want. One of the other things I like about this planner is that it comes with 3 bookmarks. And honestly, I wish, especially with this color planner, that they weren't these, you know, prime colors. Something like whites, I don't know, white would probably get pretty dirty, but maybe something a little more pastel-y to match this planner would have been nice. So you can keep one of these in the monthly section. After the monthly section is the weekly section. This is the section that made me think of my daughter for using this planner. Right now, she uses this notebook, which doesn't have too many pages to it, and she is not even through the first quarter of school yet, but she uses this to write in her homework, and she is running out of space quickly, and she's getting a little bit tired of drawing it all in, so I thought this would be perfect for her to write her homework in. Not only that, she's involved in cheers, so they have football games, basketball games, and now competition season is here, so she can write any of those things in too. Just like with the monthly section, the weekly section is very goal-oriented. You put your main goals, your priorities, any notes, personal to-do list, habits and skills. I like this one. We actually let her keep her habit tracker on her mirror closet doors, so this will be nice to put it in here too. And again, this week's wins and how to improve. Another bookmark for that. There are, I'm sure, a year's worth of weekly section in here. I can check on that and I'll tell you if I'm wrong. And after the weekly section is just grid dot paper. This part, honestly, I could do without. I don't know if my daughter will use it for anything, but it could have made the book a lot slimmer if that wasn't included in here. Just like a lot of the other bullet style planners, it has a back pocket, and I do like that this one has a pen loop in it. So now, after looking at the planner, honestly, I don't think this would probably work for my husband. I could probably make it work for me, but I think it will be more useful to my daughter, who is a sophomore in high school and has a very active life. And they are never too young to start teaching them goal setting. So this is going to be perfect for her. And she was actually really anxious to have me open it up because she wants to get started on it, and I'll do an update for you guys of how she uses it. I still need to do an update of her pocket Malden too. She's been using that every week. So thank you for sticking around for this unboxing. I'm in a different outfit because I didn't press record when I did my outro yesterday. And I just wanted to end this video with a few more follow-ups. I can't wait to see what I'm gonna use it for. And actually, because I recorded this yesterday and it is now the next day that I'm recording this outro, my daughter has already snatched it up and she began filling out all of the stuff on her own. So she's making it really cute and I really can't wait to share it with you guys. If you want to check the Clever Fox planner out for yourself, I'll leave their link to their website down below and also a link for their Amazon. And if you use the coupon code, you'll get 10% off of everything on their website. So thank you, Clever Fox Planner, for this opportunity. I'm really looking forward to sharing with you guys what my daughter has done with the planner. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down below. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button. If you want to see more from me, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.